welcome back to another video, and today and finally we'll be working in the roof of the Audi A3 because it's in pretty bad shape, as I'm gonna show you. And right now, since the interior it's like half cleaned, I think it makes sense to work on the roof. And that was the reason that I said that the interior is like half finished, because my main concern was to give it a clean, to make me feel comfortable inside the car and not get a perfect result. Guys, the roof is really bad. The door panels are really bad. I never did this in my entire life. It will be my first attempt, so don't judge me. But I need to at least get not excellent result, because I'm not at all a professional, but at least a good looking result. To reduce the chance that I made mistakes, I went to a professional shop. I bought, the best quality products that they have in the shop, and they recommend me a few techniques. And I already finished one of the parts, because they were like this, and this is the test I made. To be honest, for the first time, it's really good. Let's start to disassembly the roof, because the roof needs to come out, and let's try to give a good looking and achieve a good result. So guys, if you are new in the channel, of course, please don't forget to subscribe. Take a look at my other videos, because we are restoring Audi A3, and maybe you enjoy to see other things that I have been doing. And don't forget your thumbs up. Let's go, guys. So guys, quick update. As I told you, I'm not going to show how I'm gonna do because I never did this in my life, so it's the first time. And to be honest, to the first time, it's getting good. Okay, it's not perfect. It's far away to be perfect, but it's getting good. So guys, what I'm gonna do right now is to turn over the roof and give the finish, and then I will show you the end result, and at least I hope we can get a good result, not a perfect, because since the beginning I knew it that I will not get a perfect result, but I think it's good. I'm gonna show you how it is. Right now it's not perfect, but let's take a look. So guys, I finished to apply all the fabric in the roof and in the cover of the sunroof, you know. But one thing is that some of the finishing trims are really bad. For example, when I remove, you know, the cover of the sunroof and I try to remove this plastic trim, this like broke in a lot of pieces. My initial idea was trying to glue it with a really strong glue, which I did, but it's missing a part over here, like this side, and I will not install this. Probably I'll have to buy a new part. I searched for new part just this and I couldn't find, but I will take a look a little bit more carefully. So another thing is that this is looking really bad, and for example these clips over here, one it's like gray, another one it's black, but these ones I ordered brand new, but this thing over here it's kind of expensive, and if I could not find a new part for me a fair price at least, I will repaint this, but for now I will just give it a clean and also install. So guys, let's install the roof back in place and see how it looks like. Let's go guys.